Hello everyone. uh, लीड कोड इजी प्रॉब्लम से रन करूंगा। देखता हूँ आज कितना होता है। चाहो तो bring out your laptop and start coding with me. Okay. We will start with relative ranks. You are given an integer array score of size and where score of I is the score of ith athlete. In the competition, all the scores are guaranteed to be unique. Athletes are placed based on their scores. If the first place athlete has the highest score and the second has the second highest score and so on. The placement of each athlete determines their rank. The first place athlete gold medal, second silver medal, third bronze medal. For the fourth place to the nth place athlete, their rank is their placement number. The fourth place to the nth place. Their rank is their placement number. That is X place. Return an array number of size n. Okay. So basically, we have an array, and for the first, second, and third, we have to print gold medal, silver medal, bronze medal, and others just the score. Hmm. So let's create a priority queue or maybe a set. Hmm. What is the problem? Oh, there is a little problem. Okay, priority queue, vector of n and greater of n. Now I think it will do. Is the problem? Browse. Mm, First place has the highest score. Fifth one is the highest score. Mm, This is the first one, and this is the third one. Now, just 2 and 1. It is 2 and 1 because expected 4 and 5. Return an array answer of size n, where answer of I is the rank of the ith athlete. Mm, Let's see another 10 gold medal, 3. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Good to go to the next question. Perfect number. What does this problem says? A perfect number is a positive integer that is equal to the sum of its positive divisors, excluding the number itself. A divisor of an integer x is an integer that can divide x evenly. Given an integer n, return true if n is a perfect number, otherwise return false. Okay, 28 divisors as 1 to 14, and the sum is also none can be 10 to the power 8. Let's see. Int sum equal to 0. For int I equal to 1, I less I into I less than equal to num and I plus plus. If num percentage I equal to 0, then sum plus equal to I, finally return sum equal to num. Let's see if it works. 28 false, 7 is. Why this happened? Um, if you have to increase our range. Let's see, but I think it will give daily. It will give daily. It is accepted. Wow. Let's go to the next problem. Detect capital. In this problem, we define the uses of capitals in a word to be right when one of the following cases are. All letters in this word are capital, like use of capital is valid if all the letters are capital. All letters in this word are not capitals, like this. Only the first letter in this word is capital, like this. Given a string word, return true if the user capital is right. So basically, we have to check if the first letter is capital. If the first letter is lowercase, then the entire thing needs to be lowercase. Now what is the constraint? We have length of word 100. So char first is equal to word of 0. With a check, bool is lower. Char ch if return ch greater than equal to a and then ch less than equal to z. Also, bool is upper. Char ch return ch greater than equal to capital A and ch less than equal to capital Z. Now we are ready. If first is lower first, if it is lower, then we will traverse the entire for char chn word. If any character is upper, return false. Otherwise, return true. If it is not lower, then it must be upper because it only contains English alphabets, English letters. So if the first is capital, then we have to check bool bool lower appeared equal to false for char ch and word. We have to traverse checking if any following characters are if never appeared, lower appeared, then lower appeared should be marked true. Also, else if lower has appeared and then if ch is upper, if ch is upper, then return false. Otherwise, return true. Finally, a dummy return because we need to. And let's try to run this. Wrong answer for what case? Let's check this. It is false, then false till true. No, no, no. And is lower. Also, we need to check if the current character is lowercase or not. Let's see what's the case. Lower appeared false. We are going through it. Positive true and S will give us, you will give us false. It will not run and is upper. No, no, no. Not like this. We have to get this correct. Mm, lower appeared, not appeared. If is lower. The current character is lowercase, and the inside this we have to check if lower uh, if lower appeared, then we simply mark it as lower appeared equal to true. Hi Aman. Else it is capital. If it is capital, we have to check if lower appeared. If it is capital, lower already appeared. Just return false. If it is capital and lower has not appeared, then no big deal. I think this will do. Let's try. It is accepted. Let's try to submit it. Wrong answer for this. Uh, for the last condition, we are missing the last condition. Okay. Apart from this, we can simply do a little thing. Let's count. Count upper is equal to 0. If it is upper, then simply count it as count upper as 1. We will check if count upper is either 1 or count upper is equal to the size of word dot length. I think it will do. Sorry, I forgot the accepted. Let's try to submit it and accept it. Good. This is the code. These two functions to check if the character is lowercase or uppercase. Then we are checking the first letter. If it is lowercase, we will check if everything is lower or not. If 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 any uppercase letter appears, in this case, it will return false. Uh, Otherwise return true. Then if the first character is uppercase, then we will count total number of uppercase letters. If it is 1, this means the first character is uppercase. Or if equal to word dot length, it means every character is uppercase. Both valid both valid cases. So we are returning like this, or and a dummy return true because the function is return type is bool. Let's go to next question. We are here. Longest uncommon subsequence. Let's try this. Given two strings. Let's see what's the problem statement is. I'll zoom it for you guys. Uh, Given two strings A and B, return the length of longest uncommon subsequence between A and B. If no such uncommon subsequence exists, Return -1. An uncommon subsequence between two strings is a string that is a subsequence of exactly one of them. What does this mean? We have to find out the maximum length of subsequence such that it doesn't appear, I think. Okay. We have to run in A and check for the first occurrence of character that is same as in B. Let's try this. Char first in B is equal to B of 0. Let's quickly check the length. Okay, they are minimum 1. We can use this for CHNA. If CH equal to first in first in B, then return length, create, and the length equal to -1. Otherwise length plus plus. Hmm, length equal to 0 and then plus plus. If return length equal to 0, then -1, else length. Let's try to run this. Hmm, Output is 0 and we were expecting -1. Return length. We just break here instead of returning the break so that this condition is checked regularly. It is accepted. Let's try to submit it. And a wrong answer. Why? AEF. We had an AEF. Sorry. Our approach is wrong here. Let's try to understand the question again. Given two strings A and B. Return the length of the longest uncommon. If any one of you guys have any solution in mind, please chat, comment in the chat. I'll follow the lead. Hi Kalam, how are you doing, man? Can you help me with this problem? Do you have any idea? Hi Richa, how are you doing? Okay, the topic tags, the simplest string. Mhm. Simply have to check subsequence. In this case, it is 3. In this case, -1. Let's check where we were wrong. Oh, in this, how it is 17. Let's use this test case and try to understand. Up to here, both strings are same. After that, 3, 6, 9, 11. 11 and 6, 17. The total length is there. Longest uncommon subsequence. If their lengths are different, if their lengths are different, let me try this. If a dot length not equal to b dot length, then return max of a dot length g th and b dot dot length. Let's try to run this. It's accepted here. Let's see. Passes the test cases. And again a wrong answer. Output is 20 but expected 30. Let's see. Oh, longest uncommon subsequence. It broke here. 4, 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. That is why it failed here. Uncommon subsequence. But it worked. It should work because okay, 24, 28 and 30 should go like this. Do you guys have any idea? What is going on here? It is a easy problem. It's not that hard. Let's think very simple. If A equal to B, the answer is -1. Otherwise, answer is the string A or the string B. Wow. Unfortunately, I couldn't realize this with the help of. See if it works. Hmm, spelling mistake again. I don't know why I keep doing this. GST, GST, GST. And it was that simple. Let's move on to the next problem. Minimum absolute difference in BST. Easy problem from topic tree. Given the root of a binary search tree, return the minimum absolute difference between the values of any two different nodes in the tree. Minimum absolute difference. It's a binary search tree. How can we get that? Okay. 2 and 10 to the power 4. We have to check for like 4 minus 2, it is 2, 4 minus 6, it is 2, 2 minus 1, it is 1, 2 minus 8 is 1, so minimum is 1. That's why. So if we can calculate for this node, the difference could be this one and this one. Okay. If you have any ideas, please comment in the chat. I'll follow your lead. Get minimum difference. Okay. So I'll create a mini and it is initialize id max and is return mini. I'll call solve function with root and mini. And finally return the actually I can do this also. Root. No, subtract this. If root is null, return int max. Root is 1. It can be at least 2. Okay, it is good. Then the minimum from first we'll calculate int min left. Min left equal to get minimum difference from root of left. Then we will calculate minimum from right side, get minimum difference root of right. Then we will return the minimum of min left and min right. I think, I think I'm doing it wrong. Maybe the cursor is broken. See, if it is null, I'll return it int max. Otherwise, int left is now. We can proceed like this. If it is null, return int max. That's not gonna happen right now. Then int left diff equal to absolute of root of val minus root of left of val. Int left diff equal to int underscore max. If root left exists, then do this. Similarly, let's copy paste it. If root right exists, then we will find the right difference and the right diff equal to int max. Found the difference and we will uh, and we will return the minimum of left diff and right diff. This is for 1. void void f 3 node star root comma int ampersand mini. We can call this and transfer the whole code from here to here, and we will update mini as Mini has minimum of mini, comma, minimum of this. And we will call recursion f of root of left and mini, f of root of right and mini. We don't have to return. If it is null, we'll do nothing. And finally, we return. We create here first mini equal to int underscore max f of root comma mini, and we return mini. Let's see, let's see. I think it will work. If not, uh, C++ needs capital L. Running the code. It is accepted. Let's try to submit it. And it is a wrong answer. How? 123. I think I again got the any two node. Any two node. The problem was any two node. If for this we have 236 here, then 104 here, and 701 here. Here null, here 227. Oh, it is 9. Ah, this is even possible. Here, 227 and 36. And we have total number of nodes 10 to the power 4. Then we can go to square. How can we do that in big of n and or easier? If this difference is greater, we will go here. We are updating many. Do you guys have any idea? I'm stuck here. For this node, we go to the right entirely to the left. For this node, we go right and go entirely to the left. We update a mini. Let's try calling a mini. For current node, let's try if root is null, if root is null, and we return nothing, we do nothing. Otherwise, if root right exists, if root right exists, then we will need int right equal to int max. If root of right exists, it means if it exists, we have to find the leftmost so that the difference is minimum. Okay, then we will call a function. No, we will create a node star tree node ptr pointing to root of right, and we will run until ptr of left is not null. Ptr equal to ptr of left. Then finally we give right as ptr of value. For same we will do for left instead right, right, and we will give left as left equal to int underscore max. Then we will update mini as minimum of mini comma minimum of left and right. Then we will recursively call f for root of left and mini we will call root of right and we will call mini. Let's see. Mm, No viable conversion tree nodes. Okay, okay, okay. I missed the statistic. Wrong answer, and it is 1. Output is 0. Why? Oh, sorry. Root of val right equal to absolute of root of val minus ptr of val absolute of root of val minus ptr of val. It, it is accepted. Let's try to submit it. And it is accepted. See, keep trying. It will solve more problems. Let's go to the next problem. We'll try reverse string 2. You can switch on your laptop and start coding with me. The best time to start is now. The string is an integer k. Reverse the first k character from every for every 2 key characters counting from the start of the string. Comment if you guys have any idea. Let's see what have you got. Let's see example. This A B C D k equal to 2. I mean, if k is equal to 2, it means first we reverse the 2 characters, then we jump to the 2 times k. It means 2 times k is 4. Then we jump to 4 here. Then we reverse E and F. We get F and E. Then we jump next to the uh, and the PTR. First of all, we have 0. We'll run the loop. We'll run the loop while PTR is less than s dot length. GTH again. We'll run it. We are here and well, PTR is less than 1 minus 1 because we have to swap. So swap S of PTR and S of PTR plus sorry. We have to reverse 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 S dot begin plus PTR to S dot end plus PTR plus K. Then we have to jump PTR to PTR plus K. Means if PTR is 0, it will 0 plus 1 plus 2. If it is 0, it means 0. PTR is 0, then it need to go to 2 times k, that is 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It means S. S is this, S plus 1 is this, S plus 2 is this, S plus 3, S plus 4. We have to make it 2 times K. Reverse S dot begin plus PTR from here to PTR 0 plus K plus 2 plus 1 plus 2. This is, this needs to be done. And we are good to go. PTR should be PTR plus K should be less than, and return S. Let's see. Wrong answer. Where we are wrong? Oh my, oh. Plus PTRY S plus begin. Let's see. And wrong answer. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We are doing nothing. Wow. Let's, how the reverse function. S dot begin. What are we doing? Again, nothing changes. Why is this happening? We reverse from that index to that index. Reverse STL function in C++. Let's see little documentation from GFG. It it works like this. Reverse ARR, yeah. S dot begin, S dot end. I'm doing the correct thing, then why? Should I be 0 plus k2 less than the length? Four and 8 and can you guys point out the bug? Wow, that extra -1 was really hurting. Okay, now let's try to submit it. And a wrong answer. What happened? We were expecting. K. PTR 0 plus K less than equal to. Let's check this out. And the wrong answer at this position. K is 8. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Uh, while PTR is here, while PTR is here, and PTR plus K, that is 8. 2 to 4 to 6 and 7. 7. We have to make some changes here. Start is this dot begin plus PTR and dot one creating iterators so that I can handle it easily. This PTR plus K. STRT start and then for all theta is greater than 0. Minimum. If auto and if PTR plus K is less than equal to S dot length GTH length, then and is this else and is S dot and compiler error initializer initializer assigning to long from incompatible type. Okay, let's start again. Let's try this. Theory timeline exceeded. Why? Or a PPR. PTR less than starting MGTH. Let's see if it works. Accepted. Let's try to submit it. And it is accepted. Good. Just that easy. And for today, I'm ending this stream here. Thank you for joining. If you like the content, please follow and subscribe. And please start coding if you're in this field, because this is only thing you guys need. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.